Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here the KK Tick Tank T5, and on this video we are going to pair it with its support app. Based on the user manual here, it is using the WearJoy application. It's also stated here in the packaging we have the WearJoy, but if you're going to check on the smartwatch, we have the QR code here, and this is a logo for the Wear Pro app. So I guess you can use the Wear Pro as well as the WearJoy app for the smartwatch. On this video, we are going to pair it with the WearJoy application that is available on Android and iOS. So if you are interested to see the process on how to pair it with the support app, watch this video. And if you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe. Alright, so let's begin and pair the smartwatch with the WearJoy application. So we have here the QR code, but we are not going to scan this anymore. But instead, we'll go directly to the Google Play Store and search it there. So let's search the Wear Pro app on a Google Play Store. So we have here the Wear Pro. We checked it earlier, and we have the WearJoy. Again, you can either use the Wear Pro or the WearJoy app. So let's try to install the WearJoy instead of the Wear Pro. So we have a tutorial for the Wear Pro app. It's a very good application for smartwatches. This time we'll check about the WearJoy. So tap on install. So wait for it to load. So 88.98 MB. So wait for the completion of download, and it will automatically install the support app here in our Android smartphone. So WearJoy app. It's now installing. So it is finished. So let's open the application. So let's open the app. So we have here the privacy policy and service agreement. Agree. Then we'll allow the notifications here. Permission. Allow. Okay, so you have an option here to register or pick the guest mode. In our case, we'll pick the guest mode. Login successful. So allow the permission here while using the app. Allow. So if you want to pair your smartwatch, go to the device section. After selecting the device, we are now on the dashboard for pairing our smartwatch. To pair our smartwatch, tap on search add. Okay, so we have here our smartwatch. Select to connect, and it's now pairing. Bluetooth connection successful. Then paired successfully. Let's tap on continue. And as you can see here, the permissions is not yet set. So let's try to set it up. Okay. Allow permissions. Let's check. Display over apps. Later. Set up for the power management. Manage notifications. So you can set it here, or we can go directly to the application. Tap on completed. Okay. Then go back. Incoming calls. So Bluetooth pairing request. Again. We will pair. Then pair. Okay, resume. And as you can see here, we are paired. Allow the permissions. Let's complete the setup here. Completed. Okay, we are connected. Then again, double check incoming call notifications, activate, allow the permission here for the call history, contacts, and phone calls. SMS, allow also the permissions. Then enable notification permission for the apps. Look for our WhereJoy app, then activate. Allow. Then go back. Just wait. Activate some of the apps here if you like. Go back. Then what else? Sync data. I guess we are already paired and set up successfully. As you can see here in the support app, we have transfer images, convert video. Here are the tools for your smartwatch. To add your contacts, tap on manage contacts. Then add contacts here. Select a number. Add to. Then sync to watch. Okay, let's see. Contact, and we have here the number. I guess we are now set up properly with the WhereJoy application for Android smartphone. Okay, as you can see here, incoming call notifications, SMS, app notifications, is set properly. Let's double check unit settings. Okay, we'll leave it as it is. Goal settings, will not adjust that. Heart rate monitoring. Okay, it's not set to continuously heart rate monitoring, so that's okay. Bluetooth call. Okay, so here are some instructions if you want to connect or set your smartwatch to Bluetooth call. I guess that's it for the basic setup of our Tank T5 on the WhereJoy app for Android smartphone. So if you have any questions regarding the setup, drop a comment below, and of course, if you find this video tutorial useful, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.